Hello viewers, my name is Mudit. You guys are watching my YouTube channel Pro Advisories. Today I will be talking about what makes Amazon operates worldwide. Let's start the discussion.
Worldwide. In year 1994, company gets incorporated in the state of Washington, and in year 96, company gets listed on Nasdaq. Right now, company's stock price is $2,376. And for a company to successfully manage their operations, first and foremost point is profit, and second is sources of fund. And you can see right now consolidated profit of Amazon is $11,637 million, and if you will convert this in Indian currency, it is almost about 882 Arab. And most importantly, to operate the business, funds is very much important. So the company raises fund through equity and notes, and in case company having surplus cash and cash equivalent, they invest in AAA rated funds and US government bonds. As you know, Amazon is earth customer centric company, an e-commerce giant. Therefore, biggest asset for these organization is intangible assets. An intangible asset means that gives future economic benefits. So the main assets for these types of businesses: servers, networking equipment, and digital content. And this digital content is specifically from Amazon Prime. Like Amazon Prime pay consideration to, say for example, Zakir Khan to upload Zakir Khan content on Amazon Prime, and this payment is known as payment for digital content. This digital content will be amortized as per the term of contract or as per the basis of revenue generation from this digital content. Now we come to revenue part. This is also a most important factor for continuing operations of Amazon. Amazon provides sale of services and sale of products in various types. Like they provide sale of their own products as well, like for example Alexa. And second one, they provide sale of services in the form of third party seller services. Say for example, sale of products by third party on Amazon website, and in consideration, third party gives commission to Amazon for using their portal. And third one, subscription services, like you all subscribe for Amazon Prime services. This is subscription services by Amazon. And another one is Amazon Web Services. Amazon also provides cloud computing services to enterprises or for startups. And if we'll come to expense side, their highest expense is cost of sales. If you will see segment wise information, they divided their balance sheet in three segments. One is North America, and second is internationally, like US, like India, France, Paris, Pakistan, and third is Amazon Web Services. Their highest revenue is from North America segment. If we compare international versus North America wins. And for a big company like Amazon to operate worldwide, they have to create these subsidiaries so that they can manage their operations easily. See, Amazon's ultimate holding company's name is Amazon.com.incorporation.limited. It's registered in Seattle in the state of Washington. This ultimate holding company created 5 ultimate subsidiaries to help ultimate holding company. Now we will come to the point of how Amazon goes globally and how Amazon infuses their funds to other countries to operate their business in other countries. Here we will discuss in the context of India, because I am an Indian. Amazon ultimate holding company, Amazon.com.incs Limited, created a company in Singapore with the name of Amazon Corporate Holdings Private Limited. And the main objective of this Singapore company is to manage other companies in other countries by arranging funds from ultimate holding company. Second, Amazon Corporate Holdings Private Limited, registered in Singapore, create two companies in India with name Amazon Seller Services Private Limited, which is for operating business other than Amazon Web Services, and second, Amazon Internet Services Private Limited, for operating Amazon Web Service business only. Now you see why they selected Singapore for their next subsidiaries, because Singapore is a tax haven country, and tax haven means where there is low tax rate. And now this is all about my today's video discussion. Hope you like my content, and now you can follow me on my Instagram account. Please give suggestions for more improvement, and in case you want to study more about Amazon, I will give link of Amazon balance sheet in the description. And at the end, stay home, stay safe, and wish you all the very best.
और आप प्लीज़ कमेंट कीजिएगा मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे, और मुझे सजेशन दीजिए अगर कुछ चेंजेस मुझे करने हो, और कोई नए टॉपिक्स आपको चाहिए कि ये डिस्कस करूँ मैं, तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करिएगा। आपके कमेंट मेरे लिए बहुत वैल्यूबल हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।